in like 1 minute. Well, yeah, y'all be in today in 2 minutes. But here's basically overview, because as you can see up in the sky, the clouds are moving because we're basically in the middle of the hurricane. And let me back up. What?
It's just a regular rainstorm.
No, it's not, because look at Papa. Look at your car.
What's wrong with it?
There's my Papa, and there's his car.
Looks wet.
And there's a jug right there.
Yeah, I had it over here.
And there's a plastic bag. As you can see, the sky's moving even more now.
Clouds. It ain't really raining that hard though.
Can't we invite them over now, or no?
I don't think your grandmother wants pumpkin. She's strange.
Well, I do. This is like my neighbor's yard. Across the street yard. It's really crazy. Y'all got wet. And what else is crazy out here?
And the trash must go out.
And he has to put the trash out. He is crazy in the storm. But what else is so crazy? Oh, look at it. Look at it. Just look at it. Look at that tree. Look at the tree. Look at it. It's raining in the sky in here. Look at it though. Look at it. Look at the thing. So that is our hurricane update. I will stay tuned in a couple hours.